Forgive the horrific dynamic range on my cell phone camera. It's a cell phone camera and it's the one that's facing me, so things are going to be a bit contrasty. I'm on my way to Panasonic again, and this time there will probably be a fight. I actually got a call from Panasonic. The Akihabara branch apparently has got a backup camera, which they can give me while they fix mine. And so they've managed to head off a fight. Because Kawasaki said they couldn't give me a backup camera and was about to shit all over them for saying you can't market pro cameras and not give pro support, blah 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 blah.
Alright, so this is a test of audio in a busy environment. I'm coming to you from the big camera store in Shinjuku, checking out the GM1. It's a bit weird, there's no screen, but it's really small, so it's quite nice. I hope this audio test comes through because there's no external mic. This is a test of the GX7's microphone. Video mode's exactly the same as the GM1, it's almost twice the size. But let's see if the mic is any better. Yep, she was wearing green furry pants, green furry jacket, and carrying a green furry bag. Japan. Anyway, I usually walk home from Mizunokuchi Station rather than take the train because it's a relaxing walk and it's fun. This time, however, on my way home, I took a wrong turn. I didn't take the street I usually do, I turned one early, and I thought, this will be a cool shortcut. In the end, it actually took a bit longer, but it was interesting because I found this little tiny pocket shrine and a really long, narrow stairway. At the end of the stairway, however, Shelob wasn't there to kill me and eat me, but I did get a pretty good view of Mizunokuchi. All in all, nice Mission Mungness. And if you don't know what Mission Mungness is, both you and your liver are probably better off because that means you didn't hang out with me when I was younger and a little more crazy. The Nihonbashi area, Bank Central. This is where all Japan's money is laundered, made, earned. I think that's the word, earned. Ooh, Z4. Notice how that biker, he just assumed that stopping for pedestrians at the pedestrian crosswalk, where we technically have right of way, wasn't for him. I swear there hasn't been a single day in this past month where I haven't come to an intersection and a fucking biker has decided that the rules of the road don't apply to them.
僕池田さんだったかと思いました、正直。あれ、池田さんですよ。
Channel Miser. I was told to come here by one of